explaining myself. See here, I'm gonna tell y'all something. Let me go to it right quick. That's my trade going on right now. Right now, let me find my history. All right, for the week, y'all, for the day, because the day starts new, at nighttime. So it says negative 60.90 because I took a loss last week, but it wasn't the software. I want everybody to understand it wasn't the software. I'm a bit of a risk taker. All right, I lost about a little bit over $100 last week in trading because I did exactly what they said not to do. But I wanted to test the software. I wanted to see. Well, actually, I'm gonna say I lost 100, but actually for the week, I made. Let's see, for the week down here, I made $68.62. So I still made money. I still made $68 last week in trading, even though I did something to test the software myself. What they said don't do. I took a trade, a Great British Pound trade, and they told us, to stick with the trades that the software gave us, that the company Silverstar gave us. But I took this own trade myself, thinking I could do it myself. And guess what, y'all? I lost $100 on that. I didn't follow the system. I lost $100, but as you can see, for the week, I still made, even though I lost that $100, I still made $68.62. So now it's you gotta do what they tell you to do with this software. This software is crazy. It really works, but you can lose money if you don't follow what they say do. If you try to do yourself. I took a recommendation from somebody else who's a good trader, but when you take recommendations from other people, you have to monitor that thing manually. They're not there to monitor it for you. You have to monitor it. And I was monitoring it, thought I knew what I was doing, but guess what, y'all? I didn't know what I was doing. See, that's the thing. People trying to learn Forex, and a lot of people are losing money while they're trying to learn it. But this software would allow you to make money while you learn it. So I'm in that situation right there. I'm trying to learn Forex myself to where I can do a lot more money, but I made $68.62. While learning, even though I lost 100 in a trade that I did last week, I did the exact same thing, another trade from somebody else, but I made $134 off of that one trade. So if you learn the system, if you learn how to make money with Forex, you'll make a lot more money. But the software itself, the software that we're doing itself will make you money every week, every day. Shout out to James Mitchell, who did over $270 this week. See, he did exactly what I told him to do. He did what I told him. He didn't do what I did. He did what I told him to do. He followed the system. He made, and he's doing a video shortly, he made $270 some this week in trading using the system. Like I said, I made $68. As you can see around here, profit. I made $68.62. I would have done close to 200 had I not done the trade, taken the trade, and myself, the manual trade. So this software, I'm gonna tell y'all better jump aboard this thing. Y'all better jump aboard this thing. You can't make this type of money with your money sitting in the credit union, with your money sitting in the bank savings account. You can't do it. There's nowhere that you can take your money and make $40, $50, $30, $40, $50 a day and have your money make your money for you. Now, we usually work off of a 4-day trading week, a 4-day week. Where else can you have your money make $200 or close to $300 in a week without you doing anything, without you not working it, without you not working a job for it? How can your money do that? So y'all better jump aboard this thing. We growing. Now I'm also at $600 a month in residual income just for showing people this system. Simply for showing people this thing. Y'all better jump aboard. That's all I got to say to you. That's all I got to say to you.